Samarth, what are the special arrangements and that have been made at the Ram Mandir in view of the new year as well as also the 2 years of the Pran Pratishtha?
Special arrangements have been made in Ayodhya on the second anniversary of consecration ceremony, number one, and obviously on the New Year's Eve. If you see the visuals here, I'll take you to the Ram temple. That's majestic Ram temple. See, the entire area has been barricaded. See the police jawans posted out here to ensure that no vehicular movement must happen at this particular place. And that's why this entire area has been barricaded. And right here is the Birla Mandir. And in front of the Birla Mandir, it's the Ram temple. And I'll take you at there as well. If you see, the people are coming in large numbers for darshan, for taking blessings of Lord Sri Ram as they wish to, you can see this particular visual, how a devotee on a wheelchair, devotees on wheelchairs even coming here to seek blessings of Lord Sri Ram, and that's the devotion. When you come Ayodhya, you witness this kind of devotion that there is no limit whatsoever. You see the people out here with damrus in their hands and just chanting Jai Jai Siya Ram all the time out here. You can clearly see in the visuals.
Jai Siya Ram.
You can clearly get that particular damru out here, and the visuals from at the point from the entrance, you can see that how the people are reaching here as it's the Pran Pratishtha's anniversary here. Rajnath Singh, Defense Minister, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, both coming here for the Dhwajarohan ceremony, for the flag hoisting at the Annapurna temple. We saw that visuals when PM Modi came here, and now again this will be happening here. The visuals from the Ram temple itself, just get the sense. कैसा माहौल है? साल खत्म हो रहा है, आप लोग दर्शन के लिए पहुंचे हैं?
हम नए साल के लिए आज लास्ट ईयर है तो हमने कहा श्री राम जी के दर्शन करके और नए साल की शुरुआत करेंगे अच्छा से।
भीड़ भाड़ लग रही है थोड़ी?
हाँ बराबर भीड़ है, बहुत भीड़ है।
बहुत भीड़ लग रही है हमको। हाँ,
कितना चलना पड़ा?
2 किलोमीटर 1 किलोमीटर।
लेकिन अच्छा लग रहा है?
अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छा। राम जन्मभूमि
से आए आप?
उदयपुर राजस्थान।
राजस्थान से आए?
राजस्थान से।
कहाँ से आए हो?
राजस्थान उदयपुर।
How's the feeling here? Like the devotion, I've seen people coming on wheelchairs even to seek blessings of Lord Ram.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, पीस लग रहा है और अच्छा लग रहा है।
रामलला को टेंट में देखा मैं बहुत दुखी हुआ, बहुत प्रशंसा हो रही है कि हमारा राम जी हमारे सही जगह विराज गए।
You see that Ram ji sahi jagah viraj gaye. That's the sense when you reach Ayodhya, when you come Ayodhya, because it's the double bonanza for the devotees as it's the second anniversary, Dwadashi, and number two, it's obviously the New Year's Eve. And the route towards, you can see, there's no vehicle whatsoever throughout this particular stretch till Lata Mangeshkar Chowk, Lata Chowk, because there could be a rushy situation as people gather in large numbers on New Year's Eve, and when it's the second anniversary, then you can clearly expect more people coming in and see these visuals. आप कहाँ से आए हैं? आजमगढ़ से आई हैं। आज क्यों प्लान किया आपने कि नया साल है इस वजह से आप आई हैं आज?
हाँ
खत्म हो रहा है साल इसलिए दर्शन करने आई हैं?
हाँ
भीड़ भाड़ है?
हाँ
कैसा लग रहा है यहाँ पर?
अच्छा लग रहा है।
आज तो द्वादशी भी है, द्वादशी को लेकर क्या कहेंगे?
काशी
आज दूसरा साल पूरा हो रहा है प्राण प्रतिष्ठा का।
हाँ
You can see the visuals itself telling the story about the devotion, that how these in a way devotees, despite having some problems, they just want to feel, they just want to get the sense of Ram temple as they have waited for years for this particular movement. And these visuals from the Ram temple, can you please zoom the camera here and get the sense from as near as possible, as we'll also try to move across inside as well to show you the glimpse of around what's happening, what's the vibe here at the Ram temple in Ayodhya. Many saints have also been gathered here as well in large numbers. You can see at large, these have come here to celebrate in a way New Year by taking the blessings of Lord Sri Ram.
Absolutely, Samarth. So that is how it looks like in the Ram Nagari. Devotees from across the nation have come to the Ram Nagari to seek the blessings of Lord Ram before ringing in the new year. We're also showing you the visuals of Lord Ram's idol in the Ram temple in Ayodhya. Doodh Abhishek was done this morning as this also marks 2 years of the Pran Pratishtha, and This is Ramlala's idol that has been offered milk. This is the Doodh Abhishek that was done this morning.